This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker Classic 2860DS Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Mims, FL 32754 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Mims. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 369 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, awning, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker Classic 2860DS Ford is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.